Hello, this is Mustafa. This is devblog number 3 on Beware the Bully Redux. Today is November 3rd. This will probably either get uploaded late November 3rd or November 4th. Anyways, just wanted to do this quick update on how Beware the Bully Redux is going, and continue off of what I've been doing. I haven't got a lot done, but I still want to keep myself accountable and force myself to do these devlogs so that I can make sure I get this game done, make some progress, become better, make a game, work on this project. So anyways, one thing I got done this week is I added Cinemachine for the camera. I was trying to get a camera follow script going on, and it was kind of difficult tweaking one to work perfectly the way how I wanted to. So I found a guide on how to use Cinemachine, which is a plugin. So if you go to Windows, you go to you go to Package Manager. You could add Cinemachine through there, and so I'm using Cinemachine, and it's allowing me to have a camera follow script that will, it does all the things I really want to do. Like, it has a little so if there's a little dead zone, so I can stay in this dead zone. The camera does not move around, which could get kind of annoying if the player just moves a little bit and the entire screen moves. There's some give or some lead, so if I'm going one direction, it kind of scopes out ahead to see what's going on over there. Same for up and down. It kind of gives scopes out a little bit. So I'm pretty happy with the camera. The camera is working pretty well. The fall detector is following. I added a script to follow the player so that it doesn't need to span across the entire level. It's going to still be kind of wide, so if I click on that, as you can see, it is still pretty wide, but it's definitely not spanning across the entire level. So it's just make it simpler to just have a decent sized collision detector that will follow the player. And it has a red X on it. That's only because I want to see it. Of course, at the by the end of the development, I'm not going to have a visible red X. That's pretty simple to take. Boom, there it goes. It's gone. But I want to have the red X so I can see it follow. Let's see what else I add. So I added these gold coins. So on the console, I have a score. So a score is 1, score is 2, as you can see right down there. Score is 3. So the score actually goes up as I'm collecting these coins. I don't really have all the systems thought out as far as what I want to do in the game, like as far as like a score or health. I do want to come up with some sort of a health system, but I need to sit down and create a design document and figure out what I'm going to do with the player health. The checkpoints. So I think the checkpoints were in the last video, and basically like whichever was the last checkpoint I touch, no matter what, that will be the last checkpoint I go to. So for example, I touch this one, I activate it. and I go to this one and I activate that. So now this is uh, the new checkpoint, and I go back to this, I activate that again. That's how it used to be, and I don't want it like that. I want it so that if someone touches a checkpoint, it only activates once. So I fixed that. So if I fall down here, um, I will always go to this one because uh, that's the last one I touched. I will not reactivate these other ones. So let me start this all over. Oh, and another thing you probably noticed already is that I added a delay to the respawn, so I'm not instantly going back to uh, the respawn. So I go down here, there's a little delay, go back up there, that works. So I hit this, and I'm always going back to this one since that's the latest one I activated. I cannot reactivate this. I'll always go back to this one until I activate this. And here's some lava. So I kill myself in the lava. I'm going here. So that's basically it as far as what I've added. I've been trying to figure out how to do the checkpoint system correctly, or the way I want it to be done. Getting the hazard to, or the fall detector to let me do this. The fall detector to follow the player. Get some coins. So the next things I should work on is getting a design document put together with all the stuff I want to do in the game. I'd like to get a jump pad set up, so that's probably the next thing I'm going to make, a jump pad of some sort. Well, I do have I did add some new like test sprites, or some temporary sprites. So let's go down here, sprites. I did add some test sprites, like here's a jump pad, some bad guy, some sort of enemy, some sort of friend, a gem, a flame, another enemy. So I did add some stuff on here, just so I can have some sprites to play around with. End level. So of course I could always add more temporary sprites just to have things to mess around with. But that's basically it as far as my update. I'm going to try to do these on a weekly basis, and just keep myself accountable, and keep working on this. I might not be able to get too much done within this upcoming week. I think I have some outdoorsy plans this weekend, so I'll be away from technology, but we'll see. I'll try to do something. Thanks for watching this. Oh, one more thing. I want to try to do something motivational at the end of these videos. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to do these, or if I want to continue doing this or not, but I figure try to motivate myself first, and hopefully motivate others. So here's a quote: "We don't rise to the level of our expectations, we fall to the level of our training." So even though I'm expecting myself to complete a game, and get good with scripting, and have a good understanding of game development, it doesn't it doesn't matter if that's what I'm expecting. What really matters is my training. My training would be, me practicing on a regular basis, trying to get, uh, you know, get my skills improved. Just keeping at it, working, learning, improving, and I fall to that level, and you know that's what you should strive for as well, to improve yourself on a regular basis, keep practicing, and that way you're falling down to a level in which that's very high, rather than expecting yourself to rise to this status that you don't deserve. So, anyways, thanks again for joining me on this devlog, and I'll try to have another update next week. Thank you again. Bye.